Guys, today we've got early Jordans, a pair of shoes that I can pretty much guarantee you've never seen before, and a ton more. So let's kick it off with a pair of shoes that I've been waiting to open for quite a while now. These got delivered a good few days ago. Regular Adidas box, which if you know what was in here, that's pretty weird. So it's a little bit disappointing, but you can see there is a little logo in the corner there. Yo. This is the wild first sneaker from Clot and Adidas. You get an extra pair of laces, which actually I think would look pretty cool. These are covered in leather. The entire upper is leather. Even the inner sock liner is leather, which feels pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, it feels decent quality. You have a pretty hefty insole in here, which is kind of stitched with that Adidas and Clot logo. And then the rest of it is covered with some kind of like patent leather. I guess it's not as extreme as patent leather, but it does have a slight shine to it. This is obviously a remixed take on the shell toe, so you can see that that is even exaggerated. The craziest thing about these things is this midsole. It's kind of giving me these vibes. So yeah, this is a wild looking pair of shoes, even wilder in person, and I don't know why, but there's something about it that I kind of like. No idea if I would actually be able to pull these things off. I feel like it would take a very specific type of outfit. Now, this is the first sneaker from their new collaboration. There is supposed to be a ton more, which also look pretty interesting. Either way, let me know what you think of these things down in the comment section. Pretty wild. All right, seems like we've run out of pull tabs from here on out. Packaging very extra for what's inside. Just a regular old red and white Nike box, really nothing special, which for the price tag on these things is definitely a little bit disappointing. Okay, this is the brand new Air Max Plus Drift. Colorway is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie, and the outside feels super nice. I really like this. This is, I guess, the next generation of the Air Max Plus, or at the very least, just a different, newer version. They've basically covered the entire upper with what feels like a rubber cage exterior. This midsole, what is going on here? That is so stiff. That is crazy. This colorway I do actually quite like. However, I think with this kind of version, they can do some wild stuff with the colorway. Just for what you're getting, I mean, they do feel pretty solid, but I gotta be honest, the price tag is kind of killing me on this one. Honestly, I'm looking forward to the Air Max DN a lot more than this one, at least just based off of looks. Either way, let me know if you picked up the brand new Air Max Drift, or is it a pass for you? All right, let's get into this one. Not the highest hopes for these. Maybe they'll surprise me. Okay. This is the Drake Nocta Nike Air Zoom Drive. Okay, so first thing you're gonna notice, they're super light. Second thing you're gonna notice is materials feel very cheap. One thing that I did not expect was this midsole to be so freaking soft, insanely squishy, and of course you have that giant Zoom Air unit in the back as well. Let me just slide my foot in here and see what this is all about. Okay, really surprisingly squishy. Midsole, very, very nice. The rest of the shoe, not so much. Still, for me personally, the best shoe that I've had from them. I mean, I am a fan of the Hot Step Air Terras, but I would potentially have to put the glides on top of them. The rest of the sneaker, a little bit underwhelming. If you could pick these things up on sale, which I imagine you probably will be able to, I think it could be a good option. All right, we got a couple clothing pickups, which I'm very keen to try out. All right, what do we have in here? Ooh, feels cozy. Damn. Okay, so this is from a brand called LostBoys Archive. The inner lining feels pretty nice as well. This is a size medium for reference, so you guys can see what that looks like. I really like fleeces, and I saw this design and I was like, that is so dope. Look at that. You also get waist adjustability as well, so you can wear it kind of cuffed. This one feels slightly heavier, so let's see what else we got. Ooh, okay, I think this one's an actual hoodie. Damn. Very different material. What even is this? That is super soft. Embroidery, which is in kind of like this royal blue color. This hood is gonna be massive. A medium. So sizing on this medium, let me know what you think about this one. Okay, we got some pants over here. Okay, so this is their carpenter pants, and you've got some pretty nice details on here with some embroidery. just on the legs and then around the back. I got a size 29. These are definitely going to be baggy. I could just tell now. Damn, a little tote bag. Last clothing pickup. This is something that I've been searching for a very long time, and I might have just found the perfect one. First off, expensive. This is quite a lot of money. Every, you know, leather jacket that I've tried is just like a little bit off. It looks a little bit weird, and I was like, maybe I just don't look good in leather jackets. Until I saw this one. I've tried their other jackets because this is Entire Studios, so I know it's gonna be a sick fit. Now, I got a size medium for reference. Their stuff is it's kind of cropped. Entire Studios, when it comes to jackets, I love their freaking things. I love the way that they look, and it's just my style 100%. All right, we got a pair of sneakers which not only have you probably never seen, but I have never seen this in my life. I'm expecting something pretty wild because just the idea of this is just pretty absurd. This is a custom box, details on the side, so you can see over here it says 4 out of 5. So this is pair 4 out of 5, I believe, in existence. Okay, let's witness these things together. Guys, this is a pair of Dunks that has been tattooed. This is a literal tattoo on a sneaker. Oh, okay, you get little crease protectors. You also get this little bag. What is it? Oh, okay, so you get a pair of socks as well. I thought it was gonna be gloves so you could handle the shoes. This is so insane. So this is the Blue Dragon pair. Only 5 exist. Then I've got number 4. He also said that these are the world's first tattooed Dunks in history. So this design that you see on the outside is actually hand drawn, which he said over here, and there's no stencil, and it's tattooed with real needles. Now, he also said that tattoo artists think that this is fake. So, I mean, I don't know too much about tattoos. I do have one tattoo, but that's the only tattoo I have. So it's varnished with waterproof and crack-proof sealant. Each shoe takes 6 to 10 hours to create. And it's stronger than most custom shoes because the ink is embedded into the material rather than it just being painted on, which, yeah, could easily crack or come off. Now, look, I understand this is extremely niche, but it is so unique and so freaking cool to know that someone put 6 to 8 hours of work to tattoo this design on there. The brand is Blue Soul Customs. Definitely check them out if you're interested in this because I find this incredibly interesting. Either way, let me know down in the comment section what you think of tattooed sneakers and would you ever buy them? Final package, and this is one that I'm actually super excited to see. Oh my, is that a special box, bruh? Damn, look at that. That's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. So it's got a huge gold Jumpman logo on the top with a flight text. It's got gold speckling, which I really like. That is a really dope touch. All right, let's see what these things are like in hand. Damn, okay, this is the Jordan 4 Sail. Butter, look at these things, man. So, okay, I'm actually pretty hyped for these things now. I was hoping that they went like a little bit more premium with them, and they definitely did. Like, look at this tongue. That is completely leather, and then you just have the Jumpman pressed into the top. The outside feels really, really nice. The leather, just all over sail. It almost looks like it's like an off-white color. Obviously, you got a plastic pull tab at the back with the Jumpman logo. Leather wings on the side, so no more plastic, which I really like Jordans that have that. Now, the one thing that I didn't know about these things is that the midsole is glossy. They've added some kind of glossy paint to it, which is really hard to pick up on camera. My biggest problem with this pair of shoes is the gold. Not the biggest fan of it. It's not bad. You know, it feels pretty cheap whenever they chrome out or gold out these lace aglets. So, I mean, it's just, yeah, it's a very solid pair of Jordan 4s that I think with some very easy adjustments could be even better. Now, these are upcoming. They're going to be dropping on March the 9th. They're already loaded up to the Nike Sneakers app. And I understand it's not the most exciting pair of 4s because, I mean, it's just all over sale. But to be honest, I think it's a very wearable colorway. Either way, March the 9th for the sale Jordan 4s. Let me know what you think of these things down in the comment section. Are you going to be going for them, or are these a pass? And if you want to find out if Travis Scott's new Jumpman Jack sneaker is any good, click on that video over there.